George Whalen is one of America's top consultants to retailers. We caught up with Mr. Whalen in Chicago and asked his insights into the future of retailing and how newspapers can get a larger share of retailers' advertising dollars.
What are the problems most faced by America's retailers today?
Their biggest problem is always, their biggest challenge every day is to put more customers through the front door. And if newspapers can partner with them to help them do that, either effectively deliver the message or effectively create the kind of stories and environment that gets more customers to know the store and know what they offer and products and services, is today and always will be their number one issue. And retailers and newspapers have an opportunity to partner together to help do that better.
What are the biggest mistakes that you feel that newspaper ad reps make today in trying to service America's retailers?
Well, I think there are two issues. One is that for smaller retailers, independent retailers with 1, 2, 3 stores, their reps don't call on them enough, don't know their business, and don't understand their needs. And they need to understand what this retailer's challenges are and how to help them create ads that work better and promotions that work better and positions in the newspaper that work better, all of those things. For larger retailers, the issue is a little bigger. It's how to maximize their dollars in each marketplace they're in. If they're in a suburban marketplace, you know, how does their advertising approach differ from being in an urban marketplace or in a countryside marketplace? So those issues are different depending on where the retailer is located. And again, the newspaper has an opportunity to work with them and help them do that. The first one is the Kansas City Star situation, where they now have a direct marketing arm, and they work with retailers in their community to not only do direct mail but create mail, to do the whole process of direct mail marketing in addition to the advertising in the newspaper. The other thing retailers could get from newspapers, and there are some newspapers that have done it, is they've begun to look at how they do promotions. And specific promotions is create more than just an ad. For example, in my area in San Diego recently, Macy's ran the little plastic sleeve inserts that the newspaper goes in with their one-day sale on the day of the sale. And in another part of the country, a shopping center did one of those plastic newspaper bag inserts for their holiday sales last year. So there are lots of different kinds of opportunities for the newspaper to get involved in the promotional aspects of the business with newspapers. I think newspapers have an opportunity that they're frankly overlooking. Most retailers of any size go somewhere else to have their ads done, either their own in-house ad departments or to an ad agency. And is there anybody who should know more about running ads than newspapers? I don't think there is anybody. Newspapers have an enormous opportunity to help retailers grow their business by helping them design ads that work. And positioning them in the paper in the places that give them the best exposure. All of those things. Newspapers have the opportunity to do that, and frankly aren't.
What advice would you give to a small advertising rep at a small town, how he can best meet the needs of the small advertisers today?
Well, first thing they need to get to know is business, to understand the business they're in. Read about it, talk to them about it, have lunch with them and talk about their business and see how they're spending their ad dollars and whether they're effective, whether they're not effective, and how to help them be more effective. This small advertiser, obviously if you look at the newspaper, there's a lot of ads from small retailers. There's an opportunity there to help them do their business better. And the rep needs to, if you can't call on them once a week, at least call on them frequently and talk with them. Maybe it's just on the phone once in a while and say, listen, how's it going? Are the ads pulling? What can we do to help you make the ads work better? Develop this relationship. First, by understanding the environment in which the guy operates, whether, who his competitors are and how it all fits together. If you're not carrying a laptop with a database in it that tells you all about who your customer is and where he's spending his money besides your newspaper, what's important to him and how you can help him, then you're missing an opportunity. You should know who all your advertisers are, who they are, what's important to them, and how you can help them. It's how you build the relationship. When you walk in and say, "Hi, John, how you doing today? How's your wife, Mary?" It's those kinds of things. I see, I know you're coming up on your anniversary. You guys have been in business for 15 years now. Maybe we ought to think about doing that. It's 5 months away, but it's a long time to start planning, thinking about how we can help you promote your anniversary sale. That kind of stuff. It's understanding and knowing the customer.